This AI image-to-video generation tool will save you hours of work and make your video automation journey much easier. It is completely free to use. To generate a video, first prepare all your images in order from first to last. Then upload them one by one in the correct sequence. After uploading the images, enter your master prompt for video generation. For faster results, select this resolution. Once everything is ready, click Run. This AI will automatically process the images in sequence and generate a consistent video. After the video is generated, it will be downloaded automatically in order. This tool also allows you to work at a massive scale. So, how do you download and use it? All you have to do is open Microsoft Edge, click the download link in my description, and add the extension to your browser for free. After installing the extension, go to the official Honey Base website and reload the page. Then you will see the extension there.